Look at that. That sunset. It's not bad. Ladies and gents, hello. Welcome to another vlog. Not much talking in this one. This is going to be just like a quick blast towards New York City on Taconic, and then through the Bronx and all that. There's some cops here, there, and everywhere. The Waze is telling me it's going to take me 2 hours, but somehow I doubt it. Maybe if I do a really fast time, I'll post it here, you know, an hour-long ride. But a second ago, I was cooking with butter. Now I'm slowing down a little bit. I mean, I was dipping and diving, but now it's kind of more of a straight cruise. Taconic never disappoints if you want a little bit of speed. You know what I mean? Look at this car. They got like splitters on the front. That's kind of dope. $8.50. It was $8.59. Now it's $8.50. Uh-oh. Shaving time. Being in this lane because it's the slowest one, and if the cop sees me, he's just like, oh, that guy is just in the slow lane, you know. Beautiful. Look at this gorgeousness. Wow, look at that. That sunset. It's not bad. Not a bad sight. Shoes on today. I've been riding all day, I tell you that much. Nice. These dudes are cruising. It's a nice little black on black Beamer, and I like how they have like off-road road wheels on it, so they actually use it off-road once in a while. It's kind of nice. Dude, no, please don't. For noticing. Saved 12 minutes for my journey. Uh-oh. I have a feeling I have to use the little girl's room. I had some Wendy's. Alright, this is the highway. This is boring. Forget it, bros. We'll vlog next time. These half-assed little vlog attempts. I think I'll turn on the camera when I get to the city.